So I just want to show you what I got. I got all this from C4 Corvette. They put a package together for me. Everybody kept talking about you got to get the right weather strips made in America or they're just not going to work. So I went ahead and I got these. So looks like Auto Accessories of America. So here's my right door, left door, windshield left, windshield right, roof front, roof back, the lift gate, and then the two outer sill pieces, the outside doors. And then they even sent the rivets. I bought the 3M adhesive, but all the rest came in the kit. So. All right, so I don't know why I have so much problem with the camera, but evidently I do. And I didn't record taking the weather strip off. All I recorded was a picture somehow. But in any case, we started out with this thing. All you have to do to change these things out is the weather strip has a pinch mold, right? And all you're going to do is pull that up, and that's going to, and it just locks in there with fingers. Now, in my case, I don't know what the heck they were doing, but they glued the stupid thing everywhere, which is not necessary. The only spots that have to be glued, a little bit here, a little bit on that corner, and if this right in here pulls up on you a little bit, you can put just a little bit in there, put the hats down, let it set, and that won't give you a problem. But I didn't even glue these because they seem to be fine. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is change out your hatch, your struts. You don't have to change them, but you do have to disconnect them. And you need a hood prop, a 2x4 or something. You're going to stick that in there, put that up against the glass, take your hood props off, and, or I'm sorry, your hatch props off. And once you get your hatch props off, now you can pull your weather strip out. Obviously, you can cut the old weather strip, but you can't cut the new one. So these have to come off. At least one side at a time. Right? So take your hatch struts off, put your weather strip in, put your strut back on, work it away. Always start from the corners, work your way to the middle. It's also a great time to replace these struts. I turned on the, hopefully I turned on the movie before I popped this, so you saw how quickly this thing folds up. That's the way they're supposed to work. So if yours is just popping open and not swinging up and out of the way, time for a new set of guest struts. All right? Okay, thanks YouTube. Whenever you close these things, also, it doesn't have a frame on it, make sure that you close it right from here. I've seen people try to close them from the one side. That's a good way to break your glass. And they're not easy to come by anymore. All right, so here we are hours later, and I got all the glue out of the tracks and got it all cleaned up and ready for the new weather strip. It came out pretty good. It was, you know, in the early 80s, I worked for a Pontiac dealer in And man, I used to do a ton of the Trans Ams, and so they always had T-top leaks. So I learned to stop leaks on Trans Ams, Firebirds, whatever had a T-top in it. And then in the early 90s, I went to an Oldsmobile dealer, and early 90s I went to an Oldsmobile dealer, and they had Cutlass convertibles. So I ended up doing all their water leaks on the Cutlasses. We even did the buy box. So they'd go to a dealer, and after the third time of leaking, Oldsmobile would buy them back. And then they'd send them to our dealership and have me fix them so they could resell them. Now these things really don't need that much glue in them. Whoever put the last one in glued the crap out of it all the way around. Just a nightmare. But they just get glue in the corners and around the bends. You can leave the rest of it alone. You don't need glue everywhere. Just put a little bit, just put it in this little runner right here. Right. You shouldn't have to glue them in. They should fit right. They should fit snug. It does. So. I'm not going to bolt any of that together right now. I'm just going to close it, let it seat itself.